friends, and welcome to your own channel, Boost Your Career, where we learn the tricks of data analysis and Excel, and which helps us to grow in our career. Today, we are going to talk about a formula. We all know how to use the function filter in the data. For example, this is the data that we have. This is the data for sales, for different regions, for different categories, and this total sales. We know how to filter the data in a particular category, for example, East, and for a particular region, for particular category, furniture, and we'll get this data. But how to get that data in a different sheet using the formula, and that formula is called as filter formula. This is where I use the filter formula and got the data for each region and for category furniture. If I change this region dynamically, my data will get changed like this. Not only that, filter function, with the help of this function, we can get a total sales of a particular region based upon particular criteria, region criteria. Like here we have got total sales, we have got total average sales. We know that we can do this by using sum if as well as average ifs formula. But we also can do with the help of filter formula. Not only that, if we are looking for a particular keyword in a particular column, not the full word, but particular column. For example, this is the name, last name of the person, not the full name in this data. Customer name. We have two names with Hoffman as a last name. Okay, and we want that data here. We can get that data using filter formula and a combination of other formula like search and is number. We can get that. Okay, and how to get that, how to use filter formula effectively, that is what we are going to learn today. So stay tuned till the end of this video. Using filter function is very easy, but let us go ahead and learn the filter formula. Before that, let's understand our data. So this is the sales data with n number of columns and n number of rows. We want to filter out certain data based upon certain condition, that is filters. So first of all, we'll learn the plain, very simple filter formula. So here we want to filter the data first on the region is, and then in the combination with region and category, some region and some category. Okay. Now here, I will put the formula filter, simple. What is this formula asking? Array. Select the whole data because we want in return the whole data. So from the first cell, control shift right, control shift down. This is the array, comma, include. Now we'll put the filter condition. What I want the filter on the region. That is a particular region, this east region. So I will select the region, the whole column. Whole column I need to select is equal to, this column is equal to, so the value from this column, what should it equal to? I'm looking for a east region from the region column. So I selected the whole column is equal to this particular cell because it contains my filter. If you want to type east, okay, you can just type east instead of selecting this cell in between two double inverted commas. We all know that how to use the text in the formula between two double inverted commas. So I given this condition, that is filter, that in the column look for the east region. Okay, then I will complete this condition. This is very simple condition, and now it is optional to give what if empty. I will give blank, that is two double inverted commas, and complete the formula, a simple formula. What is it giving? It is giving me the data for all east region here. This is the data that it is giving me, all east region here. Let's unfilter the data. Now I want to use another filter in combination of the earlier filter of region on the category. So all east region, but only I am looking for the office supplies based upon a category. Simple, very simple. Again, I just need to add one particular additional filter in the filter formula. So is equal to filter. Now what is it asking? Array. I will select the whole data, comma, then the first condition. Before I put the first condition, I will put the uh, open bracket. Open bracket. Here I will put the open bracket. The first condition I am putting include what if. Now the first condition is based upon the region. I will go here in the region, select the whole region column. Now this is equal to what? This is equal to this particular cell. The same way that we put our first formula. And then I will complete my first condition. The first condition is provide me the data for all which with region east. Now I want to put the combination with the category as well. If of course you want any other region along with east, then also you can add it over here also the way I'm adding for category. So to add the second condition, because it is in the combination, I will put the here multiplication sign and then open bracket and put the second condition, that is second filter, which is based upon the category. So what is my second condition based upon the category? So here now I will select the category region, this category column, whole column. Now for this category, what it should equal? It should equal to this particular cell, that is office supply. And then complete the second filter. Of course, you can add the multiple filters accordingly with the combination of star sign, that is multiplication sign. This is a and sign. Provide me the data, each data and the category with office supplies. So that completes my formula, comma if empty, double inverted commas and complete the formula. Now it is giving me the data for all east region and the category as office supplies only here. If you see office supplies only. This way you can put the multiple filters. With the same region also you can put the multiple filters. Selecting in the second condition, you select the same column of region instead of the category column. Next is how to get the sum and average by using the filter formula for a particular filter. So I will go here, I will put the filter formula. Okay, because I want the sales, total sales. Now in case of array, now I will select only sales column in place of array. So I'm not going to select the whole data here because I want just the total of sales. So from sales top to bottom I will select. This is my array, so I will complete here only. Okay, what is it next? Next it is asking include based upon certain regions. So I will select the region column. Region should equal to what? Region should equal to this particular cell, that is each cell. Okay, now what it will give me? It will give me the sales. Okay, one below another for all east region. Okay, and I will complete this formula, filter formula. Now, what is it giving me? It is giving me sales for all east region. If I change it to west, it will give me the all for all west region. But this is not what I want. One below another. I want the sum of this. So very simple. Put the sum formula before the filter formula and complete this sum formula. Now it will give me sum for east, sum for west, because now it is west. I will change it to east. It will give me east. Now I want the average formula. Very simple. Again the filter formula, filter array. Again I will select only sales from here to here. Complete because array is need to be completed. Then category is region from here to here. This region should equal this particular cell. Okay, and then I will complete the formula. If empty, then nothing should be returned, and then I will complete the formula. Again, it is giving me total sales. I means the number of sales for each region, but this time I want the average. So I will put the average at the beginning, average formula, and complete the average formula at the end. Very simple. And it will give me the total average 425. Now check here for East, total sales is 3400.806 and total average is 425.10. You got the answer? Now the next is very important, very interesting case. Here we have a, uh, a keyword. It's not the full name. For example, any keyword that we are selecting in the data, we just put the keyword here. For example, in customer name, I put like this. Okay, I will get this data for two people because there are two people with the last name Hoffman. Can I get this data using filter function? Yes, I can get that. We'll get that. Uh, we'll get that data. But I will use this data using the combination of search function and filter function. So first I will understand. We will understand what is meant by search. So if I put the search function, what search will give me? Search will search particular word in particular column. And it will give me all the data for that particular keyword. For example, what I am searching, find text what? This particular keyword, comma, within text, within which column I am searching. First of all, I need to clear the filters and then apply the search formula. Search what? Search this keyword. Where need to search? Customer name. The whole column of customer name, and then I will complete the search formula. Now what is search formula returning me is that wherever that particular name in whichever cell that is appearing in this data, okay, wherever this keyword is appearing, it is giving me the number. Wherever it is not appearing, it is giving me the error value. Okay, so before that I will use another formula called is number. What this formula will do is number, just is complete the is number formula, is number, and search the search formula. Okay, what is this formula is doing? It is giving me false wherever there was an error, and it is giving me true wherever there was number. So true is the place where this particular keyword is appearing in that particular data. Once these two formulas are being put, then apply the filter formula. Very simple. Filter, what is it asking? The array, what I want to return, the whole data. So I will select the whole data now because I want the whole data in return. Array, comma, now include what? This is the condition, true or false, that we got just now. This is the condition in include, and then in the at the end, comma, if empty, double inverted comma, and complete this. Now look at here again, we have used the formula. First is search, where we got the numbers and the value error. To convert that into uh, the true and false, we use the is number, and on it up we just apply the filter formula and then enter. Okay, what we got in return is all the data for the keyword Hoffman in the customer name. So we have two people. This is the data for all for these two people only. So isn't it interesting to use the filter formula? Very useful in data analysis. So stay tuned for the next such interesting video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel, and happy learning. Thank you very much.